Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the concept just in time. This video is also available in Spanish. Okay, this is a product system, basically a philosophy. It got the following characteristic. The just-in-time method, or just-in-time, is a production organization system for the factories of Japanese origin. Also known as the Toyota method, allows to reduce cost, especially in inventory on raw materials, parts for assembly, and final products. It is a system that tends to produce just what is required when it's needed, with excellent quality and without wasting system resources. The just in time has four essential objectives to highlight the fundamental problems, eliminate waste, look for simplicity, and design systems to identify problems. If a product is going to be produced as a result of a project with the methodology design thinking or any other agile methodology, it is recommended that the process of production is applied with this system. So when we talk about the just-in-time philosophy and basically the way to produce a product, it is very important to understand that even though this is a process methodology, it can be also used as a complementary concept in any other development because we are always looking to have like the best possible result. So it's extremely important to understand that the just-in-time philosophy you have to use it from the beginning of the process. That is very important, not just to the production at the last. It starts from the design. The idea is that you can also use this as an improvement plan. If your company is not using this system right now, you can use it for improvement. So that is something very important. This system is iterative. It means that you can make some adjustments at the beginning, evaluate results, and then keep forward to improving this development. It's also very important to understand that this is bigger than just production. It's transcend his field, so you can use it if you want to improve any kind of development in your field or in your way to create developments. So even though there are four main objectives, we always start looking for search simplicity. We are not looking to develop something that is very complex, but simplicity in their design, in their production, in their components, in everything. We always search for simplicity. Also, it's very important that if we are using this as an improvement plan, we need to attack the problem. So that is something very important because it will allow us to look all the process and everything that is going on and make it better. Also, it's extremely important that search for simplicity and attack problems are development in the implement process. So you have not just to put it in paper, you have to put it in reality. Also, very important to define objectives. We need to find objectives to improve the current development and to make it better. We can always make it better. If we identify problems, we can attack them. So it's very important that we are very analytic, that we take the time to see how can we make it better. And of course, remove waste as much as we can. As much as we can. So it's extremely important to keep in mind what's going on. If we produce less waste, it will be better for the environment. So these are the main purposes of the just-in-time philosophy. The idea is that we don't have too much stock. To have stock, it means that you need to have too much money. So if we can just have enough of what we need, it will be better for the company, for the process, and of course for the production. If we keep in mind that these are the six elements that we want to keep, we can have very, very good results. As a conclusion, we can say that this concept has expressed the field of production and has evolved to other labor aspects, because the idea here is to be as productive as we can. So that is something very, very important. Although it's not a concept new, it has had a resurgence for the problems of global warming, because uh, this is not new at all, but it has been growing more with people, because nowadays people are start getting worried about global warming, and the step of removing waste is extremely important. With this concept, it is not nothing of waste, is everything is useful. That is something very important, because the idea here is that you take the waste and you reuse it for some other development, and you extend their life cycle. So that is extremely important. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, in LinkedIn, Instagram, and remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish, and every Thursday a new video in English. Our Udemy courses are already available. The link is in the description of this video. Also, if you want to support, please follow our community, and please make us have a bigger reach in our development. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.